Okay, here we go. Take a boring subject and liven it up by making it a video. This is kind of the sort. This is what's going to be the lenses somehow that go along. What recently happened was I went and I bought all of these that I absolutely don't need in any way, shape, or form, but I got a great deal on them, so, you know, whatever. But more interestingly, so this Tokina ATX Pro DX, super highly reviewed, 11 to 16 f2.8, big freaking lens, very nice build, heft, gives me rooms, wide angle, house interiors, RV interiors. This was actually a factory refurbished, but I will tell you, it looks and feels like it's brand new. So then I picked up this whole series of Minoltas. So this is the 2450. Nice little lens, super highly reviewed. This guy gets 4.39 reviews. Then next one up is a bigger one with a hood. This is the, can't see it because I've got a skylight filter on it. This is the 2885 RS. Now, this instantly became non-important. It has this cool macro switch, so once you get down to 28 or wherever you are, you can put it into macro. It came with this nice clip-off lens hood, which is cool, and is a beautiful looking lens and has a skylight filter with it. The next one is a 3570, just a simple basic lens, but this guy offers a very, very tiny form factor and lightweight, not terrific heft. By the way, this is a pro lens. This is a heavy metal, serious freaking lens. This guy is, let me retract it if I can with one hand. I can't. This is a really nice lens. So anyway, that's the next one. Then I got this guy, which is the 35-105. So this is a really broad range lens. Again, nothing special. 35-105 is a 4.28. The prior one was a 4.18, and the that 2885 is a 4.34 rated lens, so it's a nice lens. But these were all in the possession of a professional photographer, and a friend was selling them off. He had passed, and the friend was selling them off for the daughter who had health problems. So he drove to West Virginia to pick up all of these guys. This is a 70-210. This is known as the beer can in the world of Minolta. This guy has this little thing, which is cool. It's a focus lock. So you can focus to a point and push and hold that down, and then you can move it around and do what you need to do. So I got my beer can. I don't need it with other lenses that I've got, but I've got that. Then there's this 80-200, also interesting lens. This guy has a really poor rating. I probably shouldn't have bought it. 3.84, but you know, 80-200 gives me a inexpensive. By the way, all of these pretty much were $20 or $35, so it was not hard to decide to go there and get them if I needed to. This is interesting. This is I forgot to mention, some of these are like the 2450. This guy is just an f4, so that's really nice. And the 3570, this is an f4.5 fixed, so that's really cool. But you get up to this 100 to 200, it's a fixed 4.5. This guy is brand new, literally came in the box, never had been touched by human hands. And this is really highly rated. and a nice feeling lens. Gives a good, you know, it's a simple range from 100 to 200, so 150 to 300 in APC. These are all full frame. This guy is a 4.42 rated lens, and I bought it brand new for $35. And then the final one from West Virginia was the 100-300. Certainly don't need it. Have multiple other options of the same, but it has the focus lock on it also, and is a nice lens with what's it got, a 3.94 rating, so nothing special. While I was there, had a flash that works on my A300 cameras, so I've got a flash for more careful look there. But this is like the lenses that I didn't need. Back here, you can see this is the new A300 that I bought. That will be my backpack camera, and I'll take some crappy lenses with that. That's my A58 with my 18-135 on it, my walk-around lens. The other thing that happened was I've been looking for the Holy Grail magical Tamron 2875, and this is the see if I can give you the right description for this. So this is a XRDILD aspherical IF internal focus and macro lens. And this is one of the mega lenses out there. This guy is rated 4.49 with 92 ratings. Focuses down to 13 inches, which is nice. And big glass on it, very heavy, very substantial. Has a lock on it, which is nice when you're carrying it around. Super nice lens. Actually got this from somebody, and I only paid $75 for it. They sell for a lot more than that. I've been shooting with it today, and it seems to be okay. He thought it had some problems, but I did my cleaning of the contacts thing that I did before with a Q-tip, and it really didn't seem to have any issues. So I shot a bunch of pictures tonight and today at car shows. And so I have one of the Holy Grail lenses that is in my main kit here. So that's going to be my 50mm prime, the 11-16 for the really wide angle stuff, the new 1650 that I got. That's a fixed 2.8. Skip the 1855 and the 1870. They'll be used for other cameras. The 18-135 is a great range. Seems to work well, but this 2875 is a killer lens, fixed 2.8. The 55-200 f4 to 5.6, really nice from 55 out to like 150. That's a really super lens. The 55-300, I didn't like it so far, but it's got great ratings. I mean, people say it's a 4.51 lens. I don't know. They hate the 75-300 that I got, and I kind of like that. This 100 macro that I got, Minolta f2.8, is a crazy narrow depth of field, but it is a really nice prime lens, super high rated at 4.88, almost a perfect lens according to reviewers and such. And then my Tamron 200-400 barrel and my new Sigma 150-500, which seems to take really nice shots. Has 2 levels of optical stabilization in the lens and has a 4.67 rating. So, you know, leave the 200-400 away. Take the Sigma, the 100 macro for when you need it. One of the, probably the 55-200, and the Sigma does the rest. This Tamron will be a walk around and a special lens, assuming it all checks out after I use it for a while. The 18-135 is great. The 1650 is fabulous, and this Tokina is a 4.56 reviewed lens that is just, I mean, it's out there for hundreds and hundreds of dollars. I bought this one. I saw it and I bought it for under $100 and I just had to do it. So anyway, lenses galore. The lens thing is just nonstop, and I'm up to, you know, close to 20 lenses or something. So now time to start listing stuff and selling it, and that's what I'll do.